Good day to all of you. How are you doing? I do hope you are well. Who doesn't want to be here in the nature? Who doesn't want to train in the nature? Well, I guess you are unfortunate not to live in such a surrounding. So I'm very blessed and I'm very happy to be here today with you. I prepared again some exercises for a Hiit workout, or Tabata you can call it, for improving or maintaining your physical condition, which is very important. Let's have a look what I have for you today. So 8 exercises. I do the timer on. We start easy, 25 seconds workout and 15 seconds rest. 8 exercises. This is an easy one. Butt kicks. Don't forget to warm up before you start. So, mountain climbing. Doesn't matter. So, breathe, calm down, and just move around while you have pause. Core tight here, a little bit of jumping. If you can't do like this, no problem. Very good exercise. This one. I need. Oh, so here, core tight. Breathe. Come on, we can do this. These are not such a difficult exercises. I'm sure we can do it. Core tight. Come on. So, let's jump. Nice and easy. Breathe. This one, jumping jacks. Trust me, if you do it quick, you'll feel it. Very good. Exercise. Exercises for burning fat. Also here, core tight. Oh my God. Just great. So, that's all for round 1. We do have another 2 rounds, or perhaps 3 rounds. You choose. But I know you can do it. If you really want, you can do it. So move. But do not forget, stay sporty, stay classy, stay good with your